last textbook 2016. That is it. And today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 3. So what is the name of chapter 3? Chapter 3, that is polynomials. Already in the previous class we learned about polynomials. Yes, children? So what's the meaning of polynomial? How many types of polynomials are there? These all things we learned in 9th class. Yes? Now we are going to again once before that all definitions. Okay? So I'm going to start. What is the meaning of polynomial definition? First. So what is the meaning of polynomial? It is an algebraic expression. Yes or not? Yes, it is an algebraic expression. So in which all variables have some power. So the power as a whole number. Then it is called as polynomial. You know that it is an algebraic expression. Yes or not? It is algebraic expression in which variables, in that some variables are there. So variables have power. Variables have power. So power as a whole number. Power as a whole number. Then it is called as a polynomial. So everyone be ready with your math textbook today. Open your math textbook. There is page number 52. Okay. Chapter 3. So what is the name of chapter 3? Polynomials. Okay. Now open your textbook. Now look at the once. So what is the meaning of polynomial? This is our side. It is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression. So it means we can take ax1 by1 or else we can take ax2 plus so on plus we can take any letter b x power n. So this is algebraic expression or not? Definitely is an algebraic expression. Here in which variable I say? In which variable? X is a variable or not? Yes, definitely it is a variable. Variable have some power I say. So it is having some power. X power 1, X power 2, so on, X power 8. So this power as a whole number. This power as a whole number. So n and whole number. It means we can write a x power 1, b x power 2 plus so on, b x power n plus we can take whole number as a whole number starts from 0. So x power 0. So what you know, x power 0, something power 0 is always 1. I said so many times I said. So x power 0. So x power 1, b x power 2 plus so on, b into x power 0 value is nothing but 24. X power 0 is 1. b into 1. b into 1 is nothing but 0. Directly we can write b into 1 can be written as 0. So this is one type of polynomial. This is called as polynomial. So what is the meaning of polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression in which variable have some power. Variable have some power. Power as a whole number. Power as a whole number. This is whole number or not? This is whole number. This is also whole. Okay. Got my point today? Simple. Polynomial is an algebraic expression in which variable have some power. Power as whole number. Then it is called as polynomial. Got my point? So polynomial we can write so it's our children. So I'm taking for example 7x squared plus 3x plus 6. Okay. So in this we can observe. So this is an algebraic expression or not? Definitely this is an algebraic expression. This is an algebraic expression and its variable have some power. Yes or not? Variable have some power. So power as a whole number. 1 is a whole number or not? 2 is a whole number or not? 3 is a whole number? Yes. This is an algebraic expression. Okay. This is an algebraic expression that variable have some power. Power as a whole number. Then it is called as polynomial. Okay, polynomial that is got it? So simple children, polynomial is a algebraic expression in which variable have some power. Power as a whole number. Okay, then it is called as polynomial. So polynomials are So I am going to tell you, listen properly. So first linear polynomial. So what is your linear polynomial? Linear polynomial. So linear polynomial means, for example, this is polynomial or not? First, what is the polynomial? Is polynomial or not? Before this, while learning this, okay, before going to this, starting of this, we want idea about polynomial. Okay, we want idea about polynomial. So already we got polynomial definition, and sometimes they are given like this. You want to observe an algebraic expression. This is algebraic expression or not? Definitely it is algebraic expression. Yes, this is algebraic expression, but this is not polynomial. But this is not polynomial. Why it is not polynomial? Anyone have this idea? Yes, children, this is not polynomial. Why it is not polynomial? Because it is having in power place, it is having a radical. Yes, it is in a fraction form or not? Polynomial means it is free in power place, it is free from the radicals, fractions and negative terms. It means, for example, I am taking ax square plus not a 7x square plus 6x power minus 3 plus 8 is there. Okay. So in this you have to observe, this is not polynomial, this is also not polynomial. Okay. And one more example, 6x square plus 7x power 3 by 2 plus 9. This is also not polynomial. Why they are not polynomial? They are algebraic expression, but they are not polynomial. So they are algebraic expression, but they are not polynomial. Why they are not polynomial? Simple logic is there, children. So in 9th class we learned already. Yes or not? We learned about polynomials. Why they are not polynomial means, we can observe 1 by 2 is a radical or not? 1 by 2 is a radical. So it is radical. And here also this is negative. Minus 3 is the negative or not? Negative. And 3 by 2 is a fraction or not? It is fraction. So polynomial means definitely an algebraic expression free from the radicals, negatives and fractions. Okay. In algebraic expression, variable power, it should free from the variable power, it free from the radicals, negatives and fractions. Then it is a polynomial. Got my point, children? In algebraic expression, this is algebraic expression, this is also algebraic expression, this is also algebraic expression. In these three expressions, variable, x is the variable. In these three, x is the variable. That variable power, it should free from the radical and negatives and fractions. Okay? It is free from the radicals, fractions and negatives. Then it is a polynomial. For example, got your point, children? Why it is not polynomial? Polynomial means an algebraic expression in the variable power, it should free from the radicals, negative terms and fractions. Okay? Then it is a polynomial. Keep in mind. Okay? So it is having radical in this expression. Variable is there, variable power having radical. That's the reason this is not polynomial. Okay? And here also, in this is algebraic expression only, and in this variable is what? Variable x is the variable. So variable power is what? Minus 3. So minus 3 is the negative or not? Power, it is free from the negatives. So then it is a polynomial. But it is not free from the negatives. It is minus 3 is there or not? In power place, they should not have any radicals. Radical means root values. Okay? Root values. 1 by 2 can be written as root of x or not. Okay. So it is free from the radicals, negatives and fractions. Then it is a, then it is called as polynomial. Got my point, children? And this is also not polynomial because in this algebraic expression variable have the fraction power. Then that's the reason this is not polynomial. Got my point? So algebraic expression in that variable power should not have any radical, any negative terms, any fraction. Polynomial means it is free from the radicals, fractions and negatives. Then it is equal. Then it is called as polynomial. Got my point, children, everyone? So what is the meaning of polynomial? Understood? So I am taking one example. Now look at here. So 7x square plus 6x plus 7x square plus 6x. Simple. 7x square plus 6x is 2. So it is a polynomial or not? Yes, definitely it is a polynomial because it is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression and the variable have powers. You have to observe only powers of the variable. You have to observe only powers of the variable. So powers of the variable is what? Here 2 is there, here 1 is there. Any negative is there? No. And any radical is there? No. Any fraction is there? No. That's the reason it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Next, coming to next, we can take any example. So 9x power 4 plus 12x power minus 3 and 4x square plus 7x plus 6. Okay, children? So definitely it is an algebraic expression, but it is not polynomial. Why it is not polynomial? What is the reason behind of this? So you have to observe. Only observe the powers of variable. Powers of variable. So x power, what is the x power 4 is the x power. Okay. And what is the x power here? Minus 3. So minus 3 is what? Negative. So minus 3 is what, children? Negative. So what I said? Definitely it is free from the negatives, radicals and fractions I said. Okay. So minus 3 is there. So it is free from the negatives. This total expression is free from the negatives. No. So that's the reason it is not polynomial. That's the reason it is not polynomial. Got my point, children, everyone? I hope everyone understood. Next, coming to next. So I am taking another example. 10x square plus 1 by x plus 7. So 10x square plus 1 by x plus 7. 10x square plus 1 by x plus 7 is there. So in this, you have to observe this is an algebraic expression. Definitely it is an algebraic expression. But it is a polynomial or not? It is a polynomial or not? No. Definitely it is not polynomial. You have to think why it is not polynomial. Why it is not polynomial? What is the reason behind of this? Anyone knows, children? Yes. So everyone knows 10x square plus 1 by x can be written as x power minus 1. You know, children, x power minus 1 plus 7. So here observe powers, here 2 is there, but here minus 1 is there. Definitely it is not polynomial. Definitely it is not polynomial. Okay, got my point, children, everyone? So why it is a polynomial, why it is not a polynomial? I am taking another example. You have to observe carefully. So I am taking 10x cube plus 9x square plus x power 6x power 3 by 2 plus 8. Definitely it is an algebraic expression, but it is a polynomial or not? It is a polynomial. Yes, children? It is a polynomial or not? No, definitely it is not polynomial because it is not polynomial because why it is not a polynomial? You have to observe only powers of the variable. So power of the variable here 3 is there, here 2 is there. But here 3 by 2. 3 by 2 represents what, children? 3 by 2 represents fraction. So it is a polynomial? No, definitely it is. It is not free from the fractions. Free from the fraction means it is a polynomial, but it is not free from the fractions. 3 by 2 is there in power place. 3 by 2 means fraction is there in power place. So fraction is there in means it is not polynomial. It is not polynomial. Got my point, children, everyone? So it is not polynomial. And one more example. So 4x square plus root x plus 7 is given. 4x square plus root x plus 7 is given. It is a polynomial or not? It is a polynomial, children. Anyone knows? Yes, it is not polynomial. Definitely it is not polynomial. Why it is not polynomial? It means you have to observe only first powers of the variable. So what is the power of variable here? 2. And what is the power of variable? Root can be written as what, children? So root can be written as 1 by 2 plus 7. So 1 by 2 plus 7. Okay. So root can be written as 1 by 2. Okay. So it is free from the radicals, fractions and negatives. So it is free from the radical, this expression. No, definitely it is not free from the radical. That's the reason it is also not polynomial. That's the reason it is also not polynomial. Got my point, children, everyone? So what is the meaning of polynomial? Understood? Simple, children, you have to observe only it is an algebraic expression. In that algebraic expression, variable only you have to observe. Variable power, it is free from the radical. Radical means root values. Okay? And it is free from the negatives. And it is free from the fraction. It is free from the fraction. These three terms you have to observe. In objective and one mark question, definitely they will ask these type of questions only. Polynomial definition. From the polynomial definition only you will get 2 marks. Okay, in objective 2 marks. 2 questions they will ask half of mark, 1 mark. And 1 mark question they will ask 1 question. Compulsory. It is. Okay. So that's the reason. So definitely you have to listen properly. So what is the meaning of polynomial? If you understood what is the meaning of polynomial, definitely this total chapter is you will get idea about all problems. Okay. So you have to listen properly, children. So what is the meaning of polynomial? I hope everyone understood. So many types of polynomials are there in 9th class we learn, children. So maybe I hope everyone understood polynomial definition. Simple. Polynomial is nothing but an algebraic expression in that all variables have power as a whole number. Then it is called as polynomial. So polynomials are free from the radicals and fractions and negative terms. Okay. So you have to keep in mind these 3 things. You have to keep in mind and practice what is the meaning of polynomial definition. Definitely you will get idea about these total terms. Okay, children? If you have any doubts, you can call to our school phone number and you can call to our coordinate number. Definitely I will clarify your doubts. You have to complete your homework. What I am giving homework, that day only you have to complete. Don't keep any pending work. Okay, children? If you are keeping any pending work, it is difficult for you. Okay? So note down your homework is. Note down your homework. Define polynomial. Polynomial. Give 10 examples. 10 examples. Okay, children? So next class we will discuss. Types of polynomials. Okay, children? So already we learned about definition of polynomial. Next class we will discuss. Okay, thank you, children. We will meet in next class.